Hello friends, this is Ella, your friendly advisor in Ireland. Welcome back to my channel, All About Ireland. In this video, I'm actually going to talk about income taxes for end of this year and even for next year. I created a poll on my community on YouTube channel. 86% of them asked for the tax video than a travel vlog. So I think this is a very important thing everyone wants to know. Second thing, one of my videos, which was on online visa application, got taken down by YouTube for harassment and cyberbullying. Uh, I'm not sure if I ever bullied anyone anywhere, but that's fine. Now, getting back to the video on taxes, I made a budget video 3 days back, and it's a huge hit. Thanks for that. I never asked people to, uh, I mean, to subscribe and join and all, but in this video, I'm going to make that appeal so that there is some incentive even for me to make these videos. Before I get into the income tax for 2022 and 2023, the one of the fantastic good news is that the student stamp 1G is considered for citizenship process. One of my friends told that his solicitor already told him that, and they've been doing that for a few years now. But it's official. It's on citizeninformation.ie. Even the government, I mean, the representatives from the government may acknowledge that mistake, and they they are going to uh, allow students stamp 1G. And because of that, my citizenship process gets preponed by 5 months. So next October, no, I mean, given if I count the days, maybe somewhere in 2024, early 2024, I should be eligible to apply for citizenship. If not, if you're on student stamp 1G for 2 years and then got critical skills and you're on stamp for now with 5 years, go and apply for citizenship. I have two new members who joined my channel. The membership is only €1. If you are Prerak Desai and Dharmesh Dabi, can you email me at alloverireland247@gmail.com so that I can add you to the members only group. The reason I have members only WhatsApp group is I can reply to them as fast as I can. Whereas in other groups which I run, I may not have time and do not have time to scroll down every question. And the way to join my channel, become member of my channel, is clicking on join on the channel page, or you can go to any video, and if wherever you see join, you can join. The main benefits is I'll be helping them sort out a lot of issues they have, and I'll also be conducting Zoom only sessions where I'll be talking to members on many things that are some things. I mean, many things which are difficult to cover on YouTube. Okay. And another ask from me is, if you see here from my channel statistics, only 11% actually turn on the all notifications from my channel. And the videos I make are very important for you. If you're living in Ireland, can you please hit on the bell icon on the videos? And yeah, this is my lifetime there. Like 70% are from Ireland, 11% from India, and I also have viewership from some places. But good that I'm been helping a lot of people in Ireland, and that shows off in the top geographies. And one sad thing is a lot of people who watch my videos are not subscribed to me. If you see there, less than 20% are subscribed to me from the people who actually watch my videos. Can you please, if you're unsubscribed, can you please subscribe it back? Or if you're not subscribed at all, can you subscribe to my channel? That means a lot to me. Now, without further ado, let me jump into income tax components. Usually, when it comes to income tax, you have income, you have the government taxation, which is 20% and 40%, and then you have ESC and PRSI and two major tax credits, which are given to everyone. Now, I did not cover the income here, but if you really look at the standard rate limit, it's 20%. After that, it's 40%. Right? Ireland follows pay as you go structure. Here they call it payee, and according to that, till 40,000 for a single earner, till 49,000 for a joint earner, but on a single income, and 80,000 if both are earning income is the standard limit till when you are taxed 20%. Okay, irrespective of how much of a salary you get taxed 20% if your salaries are under those limits. For example, if there's a single earner who earns 20,000, he's taxed 20% of 20,000, which is 4,000. But again, the credits where he gets the money back, and the way it's the same way it works for these people. For example, there's a joint earning family who earns 120K. they are taxed 20% till 80,000, which is 16,000, and over 80,000 till 120K. On that 40K, they are taxed 40%, which is again 16,000. So they pay around 32K in taxes. Again, not considering for the credits and all, and they would be getting the rest, which is 88K. That's how the taxation works. I'll show you a calculator as well as an Excel which I built at the end to get the exact calculations. And then you have PRSI, which is 4% all the time. Whatever income it is, you are charged for 4% as PRSI. And this gets into, social welfare payments. It gets into maternity payments, paternity payments, even job seeker benefit, pensions, everything. Whatever you contribute to this part, you get it back in some form. The main, if you're a guy who never, who never took social welfare payments, who never had any need for job seeker benefits, you will get it at the end of the your retirement. So I made a video on PRSI. Do check out. I'll put it on the video description. The important part is USC. USC again, as pay as you go, has only 20%, 40%. USC, which was introduced after the recession, has 4 levels: 0.5%, 2%, 4.5%, 8.8%. There's actually one more level, 0%. There's no USC if you earn less than 30,000 per annum. But apart from that, there is this percentage. The way it works is, if you see the 0.5% there, it's taxed under any income under 12,012, and between 22,920 and 12,012 you are charged 2%. Between 17,044 and 22,920 you are charged 4.5%. It's the same across all the categories, all the three categories which I have: single earner, joint but single income, and joint both earners. So this is where we usually lose a lot of money. For example, in the case of 120K, which I just spoke about, till 70,000 you have levels of 0.5%, 2%, 4.5%, 8%. After 70,044, you are charged 8%. So for our sake, let's take it 70,000, 120. The difference is 50K. You are charged 8% of 50K, which is 8K. Yeah, which is 8K. No, listen, 4K. Yeah, 4K. Sorry there. So you lose 4K in USC. Same thing with PRSI, but PRSI is consistent 4%. So if you are both earning more than 80,000, you are paying 40% on the standard rate limit. You're paying 8% on USC. You're paying PRSA of 4%, which is 52%. So both earners, if you're earning more than 80K, you're paying 52%. If you're a single earner, if you're earning more than 70K, you're paying 52%. If you are joint and single income, you are paying 52% for any money over 70,044. Yeah, sad part of being in Ireland, maybe in Europe too. That yeah, that's how the taxation works. Now, government took a lot of money, right? They want to give you some money back so that you are happy. That's like there's a analogy. It's a Telugu analogy, but I can't put it down here. But that's fine. Now, within that, you have two main tax credits. One is employee tax credit. The other is personal tax credit. And government has recently increased it to 1775 as part of the budget. Now, if you see that for single earner, it's 1775 each. For joint but single income, it is 1775 and 3,350 because they take the other 1775 from the other person. And joint, it's same equally. But what happens in joint both earners is you have this option. Let's just say one of the joint earners is earning more money and he wants to have more money at the end of the month because he pays the bills. Then they can share the personal tax credits, right? So the other one will become, if you add 1775, it will become 5325. The other one will stay 1770. So that way you can share the tax credits, but at the end of the day, when you do taxation, it doesn't really matter. That's about income tax components and couple of tax credits which are given to everyone. Even if your salary is 5,000 euros per annum, you are given these tax credits. Let's move on to a few tax credits that you need to look out for. One of the tax credits that is being new is the rental tax credit, which is 500 per person. If it is couple, 1,000 euros. If you really look at it, if you're staying In a house which you're renting it for 2000 euros, you're basically getting as a couple 1 by 24th, right? That's not bad, but at least it's something. You can't say, hey, this is very little, this is bad. Oh, HRA in India, you get a lot of money back. Yeah, India is India and Ireland is Ireland, because on that basis we can't really compare. The other tax credit a lot of people miss out on is medical insurance credit. You can get up to 200 back on it, but the thing is, the company you're working for should pay for it. If you pay and you claim, you don't get it. For other tax credits, go to the video description. I actually made a great video on that. Watch that video so that you can understand all the tax credits that are in Ireland. Now, let me move back to the calculator which I created so that you'll understand how to enter the details. And if you need this calculator, email me at allaboutireland247@gmail.com. Basically, again, based on three categories, I made this calculator which accounts for all the USCs, PRSIs, and all. If you see here, I also have medical expenses, pension contributions, other tax credits that you can calculate off, and things like that that you can add. Now, basically, you need to, when you open this file, you just need to enter the salary. You would know all the details here. Okay. Again, the main tax benefit that you can get in Ireland is the pension contribution. If you're like me, aged above 30, you can contribute up to 20% of your salary towards pension. That can be invested in the funds which the pension provider is offering you, and up to 20% you basically don't pay any tax. So as I said earlier, if you're earning 80k and above as a joint income, then out of 40k, out of 120k, which is the actual limit, if you invest 24k in pension, you'll only be taxed for 96k, right? That's a good thing. And that 24k gets invested in mutual funds which grow year on year on 10%, 9% based on what kind of funds you are interested in. And based on your age, you go for cash funds, bond funds, and equity funds. I can make a video on that if you want. Just comment below. I can make a video on that. Yeah, that's it. Email me for this sheet. Otherwise, have a good evening and enjoy your weekend.